day. It starts to rain today. It is what it is. Let's go. Got stuff to do. Get it accomplished. Okay, man. Said I was gonna come look at that 2022 Warlock. I don't know who else on the phone. Just 10 minutes ago, told him I was ready to drive down. Jay, Ringo.
Middle initial J.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
What's up, y'all, man? At the dealership, man. Looking at it. It's TRX, man. TRX. TRX. It's a beast, man. It's a for sure beast. 2022. TRX. It's not a game. 2022 TRX. No games. No games. Let's go. It's a hell of a truck, man. It's turned really nice too. So I got it. TRX, yeah. And they're doing the paperwork on my truck now. We up out of here today. No truck series. New truck series.
Grass, steps, big backyard.
Yeah, look what your house is worth now. And all the upgrades you're doing, you're keeping that value, so that's just making
It's going up. They are building around there, and I'm smiling. The more things they build, the more. Every time I see a bulldozer.
Yep.
Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I'm. Okay, so what's up, man? So we got the new Ram today, man. Got the new Ram. We on deck. Insurance, registration. You know what I'm saying? We on deck. We in the new Ram, and we ready to make it happen. Y'all all ready? Figuring things out. USB. Bop, bam. Coin holders, tray holders, tow haul, parking off. We're trying to figure this thing out, man. We're getting it together. It's a whole lot of truck here, man. It's a whole lot of truck here. We in the game right now, man. We is in the game right now. Oh yeah, we in the game, man. We in the game. Broskies. Oh, we in the game. This motherfucker nice. This motherfucker nice, man. See the other TRX up there. Let's go. Man, this train husky, man. I'm telling you. Next to the car, even next to the pods, man. This train busky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Out of the game. Nice. Nice. Give me a toe hitch and everything now, man. We in the game, baby. We in the game, baby. Man, the lights. I'm gonna show y'all my tag. They T-tag. I'm gonna show you my T-tag, man. Fuck. Yeah. 2022, man. Ran out, man. Man, big boy shit, man. Ready to get it done. A tent waiver go through, man. Get this dream bombed out like the other cars. Bomb that dream out, man. Blackie. Alhamdulillah, I appreciate the blessings of life. I don't understand. I'm humble with it. I forget I had life in prison. Yeah, I'm humble with it. Built my businesses. This ain't start from day one. Been grinding for years. Years in the making.